Losing weight can be a challenging task, but it is possible with a combination of the right diet and exercise. Here are some effective ways to lose weight. Create a calorie deficit. The most important factor for weight loss is creating a calorie deficit. This means that you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. To do this, you can either reduce your calorie intake, increase your physical activity, or do a combination of both. Follow a healthy diet. A healthy diet should be the foundation of your weight loss plan. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that are low in calories. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks high in saturated and trans fats. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help you lose weight by keeping you hydrated and reducing hunger. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is crucial for weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, most days of the week. Strength training. Strength training can help you build muscle mass, which can increase your metabolism and help you burn more calories. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, focusing on all major muscle groups. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, increase hunger, and lead to weight gain. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain by increasing cortisol levels, which can lead to increased appetite and cravings. Try to reduce stress by practicing relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Track your progress. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and on track. Keep a food diary. Track your exercise routine, and weigh yourself regularly to monitor your progress. Remember, losing weight is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, stay motivated, and focus on making healthy lifestyle changes that you can maintain for the long term. With time and effort, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being.